Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Mary Jane de Santalania, 41 years old. I live in Santa Maria, Matalam North, Cotabato, Philippines. High school graduate, married, blessed with 3 children, ages 17, 14, and 4 years old. My working experience is in Hong Kong on 2017 until 2019. My main duties there is to do all the household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, cooking, marketing, and sending kids to school also. I also help kids doing their homework. If you hire me, Madam and Sir, I will promise that I will do my best to make your family satisfied and make you happy. I am willing to serve you as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.